10 ways to start earning online today, even if you have nothing. 1. Freelancing, selling your skill. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr changed work forever. Psychological truth. Freelancing forces responsibility. No boss. No fixed salary. No excuses. You eat what you hunt. This builds confidence. Story example. Imagine Sarah. She knows basic graphic design. Nothing special. She spends 30 days improving logo design. She creates 5 sample logos. First week on Fiverr? No orders. Second week? One $10 order. Instead of quitting, she improves her communication. 6 months later, she earns $800 per month. What changed? Not talent. Consistency. Practical steps. 1. Pick one skill. 2. Practice daily. 3. Create samples. 4. Apply to 5 jobs daily. 5. Improve communication. Freelancing builds self-belief. 2. YouTube, building digital real estate. YouTube is not just entertainment. It is ownership of attention. Psychological truth. YouTube builds patience. Your first 10 videos? Low views. Your first 20? Still small. But something invisible happens. You improve. Confidence grows. Communication improves. Camera fear disappears. Story example. David uploads videos for 4 months. Only 200 subscribers. Month 6? One video hits 50,000 views. Why? He improves storytelling. Success online is delayed reward. Practical steps. 1. Choose a niche. 2. Post weekly. 3. Improve 1% each video. 4. Study analytics. 5. Focus on value. YouTube builds long-term income. 3. Affiliate marketing, selling trust. Platforms like Amazon Associates allow you to earn commission. Psychological truth. Affiliate marketing teaches influence. People buy when they trust you. Trust equals honesty plus consistency. Story example. Mickey starts reviewing books. Small blog. No traffic. After 8 months of honest reviews, her article ranks on Google. She earns commissions daily. She didn't sell aggressively. She educated. Practical steps. 1. Choose a niche. 2. Create helpful content. 3. Add affiliate links naturally. 4. Focus on solving problems. Influence is more powerful than force. 4. Online teaching, monetizing knowledge. Platforms like Udemy allow anyone to teach. Psychological truth. Teaching increases mastery. When you teach, you understand deeper. Story example. Abel knows basic Excel. He creates a simple course. Excel for beginners. It's not perfect, but students join. He improves with feedback. Now he earns monthly from one recorded course. Knowledge becomes asset. Practical steps. 1. Choose one topic. 2. Outline lessons. 3. Record simple videos. 4. Upload. 5. Improve after feedback. You don't need to be the best. Just one step ahead. 5. Selling digital products. Leverage. Digital products mean create once, sell many times. Psychological truth. This builds creative thinking. You ask, what problem can I solve once? Story example. Leah creates budgeting templates. She sells on Etsy. First month, 3 sales. After improving design, 100+ sales monthly. Passive income starts with active effort. Practical steps. 1. Identify problem. 2. Create solution. 3. Sell on platforms. 4. Improve packaging. Leverage multiplies time. 6. Dropshipping. Marketing skill. You don't own product. You own marketing. Psychological truth. Dropshipping builds resilience. Many tests. Many failures. But data teaches you. Story example. Samuel tests 5 products. Loses small money. 6th product? Viral. Why? He studied ads carefully. Testing is education. 7. Social media management. Digital service. Many businesses are confused online. You become their guide. Psychological truth. This builds communication skill. You must understand audience psychology. Story example. Rahel manages a local restaurant page. She posts daily photos, engages customers. Sales increase. She now manages 3 businesses. Skill plus proof equals growth. 8. Blogging, patience business. Blogging is slow, but powerful. A psychological truth. It trains long-term thinking. Story example. Jonas writes 50 articles in 1 year. Month 1, no traffic. Month 12, Google traffic grows. Ads bring income. Compounding works quietly. 9. Print on demand, creativity business. Design shirts, mugs, posters. Platforms print and ship. Psychological truth. Creativity plus trends equals income. Story example. Hannah designs motivational quotes. 1 design goes viral. She earns without touching inventory. Ideas are assets. 10. Remote jobs, global opportunity. Many companies hire globally. Customer service, virtual assistant, tech support. Psychological truth. Remote work builds discipline. No supervisor watching. You must manage yourself. Story example. Daniel applies to 20 remote jobs. Rejected 15 times. Finally hired. Rejection is part of process. Why most people fail? They quit too early. They compare too much. They expect fast money. They avoid discomfort. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus reminds us, you become what you give your attention to. If you give attention to excuses, you build weakness. If you give attention to growth, you build income. Summary. Right now, somebody is scrolling. Somebody is complaining. Somebody is saying, there is no opportunity.
But opportunity is not missing.
Discipline is missing. The internet has opened doors that kings in ancient times never had. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire. But you have access to a global market from your phone. The question is not, is it possible? The question is, will you commit? 1 hour daily for 1 year can change your entire financial life. Not luck, not magic, but focus.
Choose one path. Commit.
Improve. Stay steady. And one day, you will look back and thank yourself for starting when it was hard. If this video gave you clarity, like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment, I start now. Your future is not waiting. It is watching what you do next.